Hello everyone, welcome to the recording for IT491 Week 4. The Week 4 discussion, you're to do a search of the internet for best practices with respect to technology implementation. From your research, select 3 recommendations that you feel are most likely to ensure successful implementation and your reason why. Include your critique how you would increase the probability of success with new technology implementations. With respect to the organization's environment and culture, including operational, ethical, social, legal, and economic issues impacting the design of information technology systems, what steps would you take to ensure success? It's due Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. with 3 replies due on Sunday. Do not forget your APA reference and in-text citation. The Week 4 assignment, you're to use the attached IT491 Assignment 4 to complete this week's assignment. This week's assignment should be 5 to 7 pages upon completion. Individual screenshots should be larger than a quarter of the page. Installations. Provide detail about all operating system and software installation. Include screenshots during the installation phase and after successful installation. So you could just start with a screenshot showing the installation dialog box, and then you could show it that it's installed successfully. Now the best way, if you have Windows 10, 8 or 7, is to use the snipping tool. Here's an example of the snipping tool. Let's go to new, and then you just take a snapshot of what you want. That way you don't get everything else like you do with a screenshot. Just in the search, go look for the snipping tool, and this is how it looks. And then you would just paste that in your document, and remember it can be only a quarter of the page. So with that said, you could get more than one on a page. Now for one thing, when you do submit a let me open Word. If you paste your screenshot in there, you see you can't move it very well. Click on this little, once it's highlighted, click on this little box and change it to in front of text. That way you can move it wherever you want. To size it, you would size it with those, and then you can move it wherever you want. That's just a way to do that. So I would say basically 2 screenshots for each installation. You're to describe any problems that you encounter and how you were able to work through it. You must provide screenshots that show you completed the installation for each of the operating systems and required applications. So it's going to depend on your particular project what installations you're going to have. System management is worth 25 points. Provide detail about any system management that you completed, such as IP addressing, DNS setup, DHCP, user management, security management. It depends on, of course, again on your project, but you must provide screenshots that show the completed management for the key phases of your project. So you're going to want to explain what it is, not just give screenshots, but explain to me what it is. So for instance, if you've set up DNS, explain that you set it up DNS and the reasons, and then give you the screenshots. Now your work log, you should be working on it each week. Remember, you're going to turn that in week 6, so don't be letting that slide. That's all I have for this week. It's really hard to give you instructions when everybody's doing a different project. So if you have any questions about what you need to do for this week, let me know.